Welcome to today's tutorial on centering text in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting headings, captions, or any other content, this skill will make your documents look polished. Let's dive in. 1. Select the text, click and drag your cursor over the text you want to center. This could be a single word, a sentence, or an entire paragraph. 2. Use the alignment options. In the toolbar, locate the Align button. It looks like two left and right arrows pointing inward. Click on it and choose Center from the options. Your selected text will now be centered horizontally on the page. 3. Center vertically, optional, if you want to center text vertically within a cell or line. Highlight the text, go to the Format Paragraph Styles options. Select Center under Vertical Alignment. 4. Save and continue editing. Click Apply to confirm the alignment. Keep editing your document as needed. Congratulations! You've learned how to center text in Google Docs. Now your content will look balanced and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.